You can play around with pace, position of your foot, and the amount of pressure alongside these combinations of movements, so you can really tailor the massage to best accommodate how you're feeling that day. Let's start with the 4 movements. The glide. What you'll do is you'll take the part of your foot that's hurting the most, and you'll just glide it back and forth slowly like this across the low peak of the massager. The second move I'm going to teach you is the press. You'll just take your foot and the painful area and you'll press down, hold as you're pressing, again, consistent pressure, and then release. The third movement I'm going to teach you is the drag. So when I'm pushing away from my body, I'm moving in one direction, slowly, consistent pressure, I lift my foot up, and then I again push down and push away from me. The final movement I'm going to teach you is the rotation. I'm going to press down, consistent pressure, and then you'll sort of swivel and rotate your foot downwards. You can see that I'm pushing down and doing a combination between a drag and a little bit of a swivel. That's the glide, the push, the drag, and the rotation.